Are you all too tired to find the best free video editing software which is professional and also without any watermark? Then you are at right place. Hello everyone, I am Om, and in this video I am going to share 6 video editing softwares which are free to use, professional and are without any watermark. So without wasting any time, let's get started and see the 6 video editing software and their specifications one by one. So the first video editing software which we are going to talk about is OpenShot. The main speciality of this video editing software that it is very simple to use and it has a very clean interface. This video editing software is available for Windows, Mac as well as Linux. The main attraction, the speciality of this software is that you can trim videos in this software, you can add animations as well as keyframes, you can use the features like motion tracking, etc. The next software in the category which we are going to talk, which is also very popular, is VSDC. Yes, you heard it right. VSDC is the best free video editing software. Though few components require the premium version, but if you are an intermediate editor, then all the things required to you is provided in this software. This software is only available for the Windows operating system. The speciality of this software is that it can edit 3D videos, 4K videos. It also supports editing for VR as well as 360-degree videos, and it also contains basic editing skills like live color correction as well as motion tracking. The next video editing software in the category is Windows Movie Maker. This editing software is provided by Windows itself, and this is one of the most lightest video editing software in the entire category. If you have a computer which has a very low system requirements, then you can surely use this video editing software, which is Windows Movie Maker video editing software, in order to edit your videos. This software will provide you all the basic editing requirements and you will be able to edit your videos completely up to a basic level. The next software which we are going to talk about is the most professional software in the entire list, and it is designed for the people who have a good editing skills. Yes, we are going to talk about Blender. Blender is one of the most professional software, and if you have a good level of editing skill, you can surely use Blender to edit your videos. Few of the specialities of Blender software is that you can create animated frames using 3D graphics. It also contains 3D modules in Blender, and you can also create computer games with the help of Blender software. The next video editing software which we are going to talk about is available only for Mac users, as this software is designed only for the Mac operating system. The name of the video editing software is iMovie. This video editing software provides you all the professional tools for editing your videos. So if you are using a Mac operating system, then you can surely download iMovie video editing software, as this video editing software is simple to use and all professional tools are provided to you. So if you are a Mac user, then you should surely check the iMovie video editing software. So the next and the last video editing software in the list is Shotcut. Shotcut is available for all the 3 operating systems, that is Windows, Mac as well as Linux. This video editing software is little bit professional and you will have to practice the software in order to use it effectively. So the main attraction of this software is that it contains various video effects, it contains 4K video editing support, it has audio editing, and it has basic editing tools like color grading, audio transformation, motion tracking, etc. So these were the 6 video editing software which are free to use and are professional without any watermark. If you found this video helpful, then do hit the like button, comment down below if you have any questions regarding the video, and subscribe to my channel for more such content. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.